Today's the day. Time to harvest the meat birds. We've got our executioner station over here with Gracie. So mean, so mean. We've got our boiling pot here to loosen up the feathers and then eventually seal up the bags when we're done processing. We've got Gage over here who's managing the mother plucker. And we've got Ava and Bandit over here at the breakdown station. We're gonna start putting this thing in full swing. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Hold them by the feet. Go. I made this little zip line for the chickens. Down at the cuddle station, going on to the scalding station. Got a zip line set up, be able to send them on down. You want to put it in anywhere between 20 to 30 seconds, about 150 degree water. Opens up the pores. Kind of allows those feathers to come out easier. Every once in a while, bring it up out of the water. Check the big feathers if you get them to come off easy. Yeah, it's good enough. Then we take it over to the mother plucker. Whatever feathers don't come off in the mother plucker, we got to take off by hand. A lot of these heavier pin feathers will end up being stuck in here anyway. But I'd rather do it this way than risk leaving it in the chicken plucker and having it tear the skin. Really wet. So maybe I'll move this.
.6